Welcome to Oroqueta City. Oroqueta City is the capital of Misamis Occidental.
Hello sa lahat ng taga Oroqueta and Misamis. It's a very nice place. It's my first time and yung group namin, it's our first time also. Nandito po kami to shoot yung mga magagandang lugar ng Philippines and to promote overlanding all over the Philippines. So lahat ng mga footage and na shoot namin, it will be shared to all LGU to tourism para mai-boost natin yung tourism. GPOL is a acronym siya ng the Great Philippine Overland Loop. So it's 6,500 kilometers including the nautical miles na we took via Fastcat. So aside, hindi lang galing kaming Manila. 4 days ago we were in Aklan, then followed by Rojas, Iloilo, Bacolod, Dumaguete. Kaninang umaga, this is our 4th day. Tumawid kami dito sa Dapitan and we reach Oroqueta. So 20 days ito, nasa pang 4th day pa lang kami. Yes. Para sa amin kasi sa group namin, napakaganda ng Pilipinas. And instead of going out of the country, we want to promote our country and encourage local tourists and lalo na mga foreign to visit our country na makita yung ganda ng Pilipinas. Once na lumabas yung video natin, we will showcase yung mga magagandang lugar. We have a production team who is shooting yung mga location, historical site. Ngayon ko lang din na-learn na very rich in historical culture and history ang lugar na ito. Actually, we've been eating na every town, iba-iba yung delicacy. Alam natin ang Pilipino ay mahilig kumain. And every lugar marami talagang masasarap na pagkain na kanya-kanyang klase ng delicacy. Aside from that, not only food but the location, the Filipino hospitality, it's unmatched all over the world. Talagang iba pagka ang Pilipino ay nag-host. We are very honored and we are very happy na sobra-sobra yung pagka-receive sa amin dito sa Oroqueta. So Mayor, na-meet ko si Mayor before sa Manila. Ayun, yes, and also Governor Ominal. Thank you for arranging the welcoming people for us. It's a very welcome, warm welcome.